The Aeon Ecclesia, a spiritual assembly of divine unity. The Greek word ἐκκλησία, is a compound of ek, out of, and klesis, call, or invitation, meaning an invitation to come out. In its essence, ecclesia refers not to a physical structure, but to an assembly or congregation of individuals responding to a divine call. This meaning underscores its spiritual and communal nature, which transcends physicality. In the Valentinian tradition, ecclesia is one of the 26 Aeons emanating from the sun, representing divine harmony and relational unity within the Pleroma, the fullness of divine emanations. Ecclesia in the Valentinian tradition. In Valentinian cosmology, the Aeons are not separate entities, but aspects or attributes of the divine. 4 Aeons emanate directly from the Father, and the remaining 26 emanate from the Son. Ecclesia, as one of these 26 Aeons, is paired with Anthropos, human, within the second Tetrad, originating from Logos, word, and Zoe, life. Together, Logos and Zoe, along with Anthropos and Ecclesia, form a harmonious reflection of divine purpose and relational unity. Ecclesia represents the communal and relational aspect of divine order, complementing Anthropos, which embodies individuality. This conjunction symbolizes the integration of individual and collective unity within the Pleroma, emphasizing that divine harmony is achieved through interconnectedness and mutual cooperation. The Valentinian framework views ecclesia as a metaphor for the spiritual assembly of those seeking unity with the divine. It serves as a bridge between the eternal realm and the material world, guiding humanity toward restoration and reintegration with the fullness of divine emanations. And the Gospel of Philip. The Gospel of Philip challenges the worldly understanding of terms like ecclesia, warning against the deception inherent in human language. The names of worldly things are utterly deceptive, for they turn the heart from what is real to what is unreal. Whoever hears the word God thinks not of what is real, but rather of what is unreal. So also with the words Father, Son, Holy Spirit, life, light, resurrection, assembly, and all the rest, people do not think of what is real, but of what is unreal, though the words refer to what is real. The words that are heard belong to this world. Do not be deceived. If words belong to the eternal realm, they would never be pronounced in this world, nor would they designate worldly things. They would refer to what is in the eternal realm. This passage highlights the limitations of worldly language in capturing the eternal reality of divine concepts. Terms like ecclesia often mislead individuals into thinking of external, institutionalized structures rather than the profound spiritual assembly they signify. Ecclesia, in its true Valentinian sense, reflects the eternal unity of the divine realm, a concept far removed from the material interpretations imposed by human understanding. Ecclesia in a Valentinian exposition. The Nag Hammadi text, a Valentinian exposition, provides deeper insight into the role of ecclesia within the Pleroma. That tetrad projected the tetrad, which is the one consisting of word and life and man and assembly. Now the uncreated one projected word and life. Word is for the glory of the ineffable one, while life is for the glory of silence, and man is for his own glory, while assembly is for the glory of truth. In this passage, ecclesia, assembly, is paired with anthropos, man, forming part of the second tetrad. This tetrad emanates from Logos, word, and Zoe, life, which themselves were projected by the uncreated one. Ecclesia glorifies truth, reflecting its role as the embodiment of divine harmony and relational unity within the Pleroma. The text continues, Moreover, it is the one from the triacontad of the Aeons who bear fruit from the triacontad. They enter jointly, but they come forth singly, fleeing from the Aeons and the uncontainable ones. And the uncontainable ones, once they had looked at him, glorified mind, since he is an uncontainable one that exists in the Pleroma. This description emphasizes ecclesia's role in maintaining the balance and fruitfulness of the Pleroma. As an Aeon, ecclesia contributes to the divine order and serves as a model for spiritual assembly, guiding humanity toward unity with the divine. Ecclesia and the spiritual assembly. In Valentinian thought, ecclesia represents more than a mere gathering of individuals. It embodies the eternal principle of spiritual unity and harmony. Just as the Pleroma is the fullness of divine attributes working together in perfect synergy, ecclesia symbolizes the collective assembly of those who align themselves with divine truth and purpose. The human experience of ecclesia mirrors its divine origin. It reflects the believer's journey toward reconciling individuality with a greater collective purpose, aligning with the Logos and the divine will. This spiritual assembly transcends earthly institutions, pointing instead to the eternal, incorruptible unity that lies at the heart of the Pleroma. Conclusion. Ecclesia, as an aeon, is a profound aspect of the Valentinian cosmology, representing divine harmony, relational unity, and the assembly of those aligned with the eternal purpose. Its role within the Pleroma highlights the interconnected nature of divine emanations and the spiritual journey of humanity. By understanding ecclesia as more than a worldly institution, believers can reconnect with its true significance, a call to participate in the eternal assembly of divine unity.